Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WhatsApp on iPhone using iCloud, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the WhatsApp application. Tap on the WhatsApp icon to launch the app. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings tab at the bottom right corner. In the Settings menu, find and select the Chats option. Scroll down and tap on Chat Backup. Here, you will see information about your last backup and the option to backup your chats. Make sure you have sufficient iCloud storage available for the backup. If you haven't enabled iCloud for WhatsApp, tap on Backup Now. Your iPhone will prompt you to sign in to your iCloud account if you are not already logged in. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in securely. After signing in, return to the Chat Backup screen. Select Auto Backup to set up automatic backups according to your preference. Choose from daily, weekly, or monthly options for automatic backups. If you want to include videos in your backup, toggle the Include Videos option to on. Once you have configured your settings, press Backup Now to start the backup process. The backup may take a few moments, depending on the size of your chat history and internet speed. Once the backup is complete, a confirmation message will appear. You can check the timestamp of your last backup to ensure it has been successfully updated. Close WhatsApp and return to your main iPhone screen. Your WhatsApp chats are now securely backed up to iCloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.